Cursor versus Windsurf versus GitHub Copilot. Let's compare. GitHub Copilot. Best autocomplete in the game. Copilot strengths: inline suggestions, tab complete, quick scripts. Copilot's weakness: it's the worst at large, multi-file edits. Cursor. Best for refactoring. Cursor's strengths: multi-file changes, codebase awareness, composer mode. Cursor is for serious work: refactoring, architecture changes, complex features. Windsurf. Best free tier. Windsurf has a generous free plan, clean UX, and it's great for learning. Windsurf's weakness: less powerful on complex refactors. So what's my daily driver? Cursor for serious work: refactoring, multi-file edits, architecture. Copilot for quick scripts: fast autocomplete and small edits. The right tool depends on the job. Use what fits. Try all three and find your own workflow.